In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can use Noteflight to produce guitar and bass tablature. Note that this feature is only available for Noteflight Crescendo users. Let's begin by opening a new score. You'll notice that there are several options for guitar notation. For the purpose of this demo, let's work with tablature alone. As with standard notation, you may enter notes with either the mouse or the keyboard. Using the mouse, simply click on one of the 6 strings to create a note. The default is the 0th fret or open string, but you can click and drag to raise or lower the fret number. You'll notice that the default option is to display stems representing the note's rhythms. If you want to disable this, choose View, Show Guitar Tab Rhythm from the drop-down menu. For the sake of this demo, we'll keep the rhythms visible. To enter notes with the keyboard, first choose a string by typing a letter from A to F. Notice that here, A corresponds to the highest string and F to the lowest, and not to those pitches. Alternatively, you may use the F1 through F6 keys to select a string. Once a string is selected, simply type in the fret number that you want. If you decide at any point that you want to change the string a note is played on, select the note and type Shift Up or Shift Down. Similarly, typing Control Up or Control Down will raise or lower the pitch by 1 octave or 12 frets. Note that a filled-in note head indicates that the note is not playable on the string that you chose. All shortcuts available to standard notation work in tablature as well. Here, I will copy the riff over to the next 4 bars, which I can achieve by selecting the riff and choosing Edit, Repeat. You can also move parts between tablature and standard notation. Let's add a second instrument to demonstrate this. We may move the guitar part over to the cello staff as we would move any other group of measures. Note, however, that some ambiguities can arise in the spelling of notes. Similarly, we can click and drag from standard notation to tab. Noteflight will choose strings for you automatically. You can change this with the Shift key shortcut that we described earlier. Finally, we'll take a look at the Guitar tab section of the editing palette. You can use this palette to notate guitar-specific techniques like hammer-ons and palm muting. To notate a bend from one note to another, click the Bend button after selecting a note. The number displayed represents the number of whole steps bent up, and can be adjusted with either the keyboard or with clicking and dragging. For more information on all of Noteflight's features, check out the online user guide. Thanks for watching.